Are you looking for the best slow cooker? In this video we will look at some of the best slow cooker on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Hamilton Beach Programmable Set and Forget 6-quart Slow Cooker. Hamilton Beach Set and Forget 6-quart Programmable Slow Cooker review. This slow cooker checks all the boxes on your wish list. It's programmable or you can operate it manually. There's a temperature probe to check the temperature of your food as you cook it. And at 6 quarts, it's the perfect size for most uses. When the cooking time or temperature is reached, the cooker switches to a warming setting. For anyone needing to travel with their slow cooker, this model has sturdy handles, and the lid has a gasket to eliminate spills. The lid also clips on tight so you can take it to a potluck or family dinner. For serving, there's a spoon that clips onto the unit to keep it from getting lost in transit. There are 3 settings: program, which allows you to set a cooking time; probe, which uses the temperature probe to determine doneness; and manual, which lets you set high, low, or warm temperatures without setting a cooking time. If you live in an area with frequent power glitches, you'll appreciate that this model will stay on during brief outages and keep cooking, or keep your food warm until you get home. Hamilton Beach Set and Forget 6-quart Programmable Slow Cooker. Capacity: 6 quarts. Pot material: stoneware. Weight: 12.8 pounds. Dimensions: 11.25 by 17.5 by 11.75 inches. What our testers say: the temperature probe mode allowed us to cook poultry and meat to an exact internal temperature before the appliance switched over to the warm setting. Gail L. Squires, product tester. At number 2, KitchenAid Slow Cooker. This slow cooker is designed for perfect cooking and easy serving, with a glass lid that can be opened on hinges on either side of the handle. Perfect for buffet serving while keeping food warm and covered. The 6-quart cooking insert is oval shaped to fit foods like whole chickens or roasts, and it's removable for serving and for easy cleanup. Unlike cookers that only have high and low temperatures, this has settings for high, medium, and low cooking as well as a keep warm setting. It can be programmed for up to 24 hours of cooking, in 30-minute increments, for unattended cooking. If you're not available when cooking time is up, it automatically switches to keep warm for 4 hours. The easy-to-read digital display shows how much cooking time is left, as well as the temperature setting. For storage, the cord stores on the bottom of the cooker. If you don't need to use your slow cooker on a buffet, there is a similar model with a solid glass lid. At number 3, All-Clad Programmable Oval-Shaped Slow Cooker. A high-end slow cooker that's built to last. This oval model holds 6.5 quarts and has a black ceramic insert, a glass lid, a digital display, and sturdy stainless steel handles. The timer is programmable for up to 26 hours, and there are settings for warm, low, or high temperatures. It automatically switches to a keep warm setting when cooking time is up. The polished stainless steel exterior looks elegant enough to sit on your buffet, after you wipe off the smudges and fingerprints. Or you can remove the ceramic insert and use that as a serving dish at your dinner table. All-Clad 6.5-quart oval slow cooker. Capacity: 6.5 quarts. Pot material: ceramic. Weight: 21.19 pounds. Dimensions: 21.25 by 15.75 by 11 inches. What our testers say: each heat setting is pre-programmed with minimum and maximum run times: 2 to 8 hours on high, 4 to 20 hours on low, and up to 6 hours on warm, which are adequate for most traditional recipes. Gail L. Squires, product tester. At number 4, Instant Pot Max 9-inch -1 pressure cooker. Slow cookers are a great kitchen tool, but speeding up the cooking process can also be a huge benefit. This Instant Pot can do both, and much, much more. The temperature is customizable, so it can cook at just the right heat for any recipe. It can keep food perfectly warm for serving, and it can maintain consistent heat within +/1.8 degrees, so it can be used for sous vide cooking, 2. When it comes to pressure cooking, it can hold a sustained 15 pounds per square inch, like stovetop pressure cookers, so it cooks faster than other electric pressure cookers and can also be used for home canning. This has a large, intuitive touch screen for easy control of all of the functions, along with a simple dial to select the options. From sorting and making rice or yogurt to slow cooking stews, this cooker can do it all. The inner cooking pot is stainless steel and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning when cooking is done. Capacity: 6 quarts. Pot material: stainless steel. Weight: 13.25 pounds. Dimensions: 13.8 by 13.8 by 13 inches. At number 5, Hamilton Beach Extra Large Stay or Go Portable 10-quart Slow Cooker. This is the perfect slow cooker for large families or for anyone who likes to cook freezer meals. The 10-quart capacity is even large enough to handle a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast, saving oven space for pies and dinner rolls. This cooker can be set for low or high heat, and it has a warm setting to keep food at serving temperature when cooking is done. The lid seals well and it has clips to hold it in place, so the cooker can travel to parties and potlucks without risking messy spills in the car. The large side handles offer a secure grip, so it's easy to carry to the table or on the go. When cooking is done, the removable crock and the glass lid are dishwasher safe, so cleaning is a breeze. Capacity: 10 quarts. Pot material: stoneware. Weight: 15.66 pounds. Dimensions: 12.5 by 15.75 by 11.5 inches. At number 6, Q Isonet MSC 800 Cook Central 4-inch-1 multi-cooker. Many slow cookers require plentiful liquid for proper cooking, so they can't be used for true roasting. On the other hand, this multi-cooker is designed to make roasting easy, along with slow cooking, steaming, and browning. It includes a convenient steaming, roasting rack, so it's ready to roast without buying extra accessories. The slow cooking function can be set for high, low, simmer, or warm for perfect cooking control for up to 24 hours. Roasting can be set for 250 to 450 degrees for up to 6 hours, steaming can be set for up to 90 minutes, and sauté can be set for up to 500 degrees. The inner cooking pot is removable and has a non-stick coating so food won't stick and cleaning is easy. When cooking is done, the pot and lid are dishwasher safe, and when it's time to put the cooker away, the retractable cord gets out of the way for neat storage. Capacity: 7 quarts. Pot material: aluminium. Weight: 21.2 pounds. Dimensions: 15.5 by 19 by 11 inches.